Good morning, viewers. Today we have Mr. Hardesh Chaujar, Senior Director Marketing, R&D and Exports, Faber India. Welcome, Mr. Chaujar, to our show. What are your views regarding the importance of market research in growth of a business?
So research has to be, as a subject, has to be understood in a slightly holistic way. Research in times of today has become very mechanical. So mechanical means that I have to do research for the sake of doing research. I think does not add any value. Today, the way research plays out, I think we have somehow, with most of the companies, we have lost the essence of what research needs to be. But if we do it in a right way, research is actually where it all starts. Foundation of customer centricity and innovation lies in having a good research pool. So which means that whether or not you have the capability to dig out those insights from the consumer, which can help you create a solution to a problem. So this whole identification of problem it's all a research objective.
True.
Which means that if you don't have research going in a good way, but if done in a holistic way, with involvement from senior leadership, management, and then doing it in a holistic way, I think it is a source of serious competitive advantage.
I'm glad you brought this up. I mostly see a lot of senior leadership specifically love to delegate this
Yes.
to another
Yes.
junior.
Yes.
And a junior may not have the vision
Yes.
of a senior leader.
Yes.
So he or she can't see what the data point is trying to communicate, which a senior leadership can notice and can take preemptive action on the basis of that.
Yes.
What is your advice to a CXO so how do you optimize this space so that he consumes less time in going through the data, at the same time he is able to find what is required and take a decisive action?
One of the key learnings, at least from my 18 years of working, has been that research is one of those subjects which cannot be delegated, because the nature of the subject is like that. I believe in complete delegation. My belief is that if I were to leave this job tomorrow, so there is no operational work of the company which should stop because I was to be leaving. So hence today, almost 90% of my work, so as in my job profile, is not managed by me but by my team. But there are three as in facets to my job profile which I refuse to delegate, and possibly I'll never be able to delegate. So the one is the data gathering, so which means that I just do not allow anyone else to you get in data on my behalf or whatever, you tell me what this is about and so on. So one is that understanding of the business context, because that is unique to me, understanding of the business that is unique to me. So hence the data which builds or corroborates or sort of rejects whatever the assumption, so that has to be mine. The second is this whole consumer understanding. So the consumer understanding cannot be delegated. So I cannot allow somebody in my team to come and tell me, okay, this is what I think the consumer is thinking, which helps me to take a view on the business, the consumer for whom I am doing this business, and the solution which is meant for the consumer. So these are the three things which I believe are central to my role in the company. So 80% or almost 90% of my time is actually devoted to making sure that I am working on either of these three things. If I were to, though I am not in a position to advise any CXO, but if I were to just put myself in context and say that, okay, if there is anything that I have learned over the last 18-19 years, you have to control the problem identification and the solution. So if you do not control these two things, you cannot have a flourishing business. And to do these two things together, I think it requires an understanding that at the end of the day you have to go back to the consumer, understand the consumer, and to understand the consumer, whatever is needed, whether it is data, whether it is research, whether it is design, whether it is So all things which are needed to bringing a better understanding of the consumer on the table, I think needs cannot be delegated. It has to put a lot of demand on your time. So it has to be your time which has to be invested behind this, because this is core to your profession.
Profound, I would say. Really good. Coming specifically to import data, what is your strategy on working on import data report?
In our case, the data that we get from you, so while it is semi-processed, every time that I get this data, I have to take out almost like one full day just to put the picture together. Other than other sources of data, but your data primarily so works for me on three levels. So one is that your data gives me a basic understanding of our competitive position. It gives me a lot of opportunity to understand my competitor in a more holistic way. So at the second level, what helps me understand is the granularity of what is selling at what price and what feature and so on. So when I look at that data and then I analyze that, okay, what product is moving, how much and so on. So it helps me understand that what is getting appreciated by the consumer. So for example, if there is a product or a product segment which is moving well for a competitor or for me and for whatever, so it gives me a general understanding that this is something that's going to hold for a period of time.
Which is a growing product.
Yeah, which is growing product, segment, features, so on. Okay. So it helps me do that kind of analysis. And the third, which has say a bearing, which is on my immediate balance sheet, which is to understand that how competitive or uncompetitive are we on our negotiation with our suppliers. Yeah. So that has an immediate bearing. So which means that anytime that I get the data, I compare it with the previous month. I get to know that whether there has been a change in pricing or change in purchase or whatever. So it helps me understand our commercial position on products and so on. Just to give you a sense, it is one of my primary decision-making tool. So every month it is something that of the 22 days that I work, one day is completely devoted to just understanding the data.
You are the data Chanakya. Thank you, Mr. Hardesh. It was wonderful having you with us and
Thank you for coming
time. Thank you.